There are so many good reasons to use this recipe, and one thing is certain, it's delicious. Hey guys, let's do it. There are only 3 things to prep: mushroom, onion, and garlic. Well, I lied. Chicken chew. Pound into even chicken thickness and tenderize it. We then season, pan-sear them until cooked. Don't forget to cook the pasta too. I recommend using a stainless steel pan or cast iron skillet here. We really appreciate those flavorful brown bits. Butter, then onion, mushroom, and garlic go in. Stir occasionally until mushroom turn brown. During this time, I just wash my knife and cutting board. Efficiency is key, right? Once flour no longer look white, we add the rest of ingredients. Just stir until all dissolved. Don't forget to scrape those flavorful brown bits in the bottom, and that keeps the pan clean too. Finally, we add the chicken back in, cover and reheat for a minute, and voila, it's done beautifully. Pasta, chicken, plenty of sauce, then some Parmesan cheese, and parsley for garnishing if you're into presentation. It's for a date night, right? Now, if you are actually making this dish for your day dinner, good luck and have a rich meal. Thanks so much for being here. Take care, my friends. Bye-bye.